In this video, I will be showing you how to use copy style in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by opening the Elements tab on the left-hand panel. I want to find some graphics to experiment with, so I'll click on the Graphics category and browse through the various collections available. I'm going to open the Sketchy Flowers collection and select this orange floral element to place it on my canvas. Next, I'll head back to the search bar and type in flower to find a contrasting style. I'll choose this detailed, realistic blue flower and position it right here on the page. Now I want to show you how the copy style tool works. I click on the blue flower, navigate to the top toolbar, and click on Style. I'll select Copy Art Style and then click on my original orange flower. Now let's add another element to the mix. I'll select this realistic pink Gerbera daisy and add it to the design. Once again, I click on the blue flower, go to Style, copy the art style, and apply it to the pink daisy to see the shift in appearance. For a more distinct change, I'm going to select a very simple flat style cartoon flower from the side panel. I'll place it down and resize it. Now I want to unify all these different graphics into this specific flat style. I click on the simple pink flower, go back to the Style menu, and choose Copy Art Style. Now watch as I click on the blue flower, the orange flower, and finally the realistic daisy. Just like that, all the elements now share a consistent, bold, and modern look. Using the Copy Style tool is a quick and easy way to give your designs a cohesive and polished look.